Hi everyone, my name is Diana and welcome to my presentation on Gina Green. So a little background about Gina Green. So Gina Green received a PhD in psychology from the Utah State University in 1986 following an undergrad and a master's degree studies at Michigan State University. So Gina Green's primary research is on stimulus equivalence. She's also been a faculty member in behavior analysis and therapy at Southern Illinois State, director of research at the New England Center for Children in Southborough, Massachusetts. She's also been an associate scientist at the E.K. Shriver Center for Mental Retardation in Waltham, Massachusetts. She's also been a research associate professor of psychiatry and pediatrics at the University of Massachusetts Medical School, a lecturer in public health and special education at San Diego State University, and a consultant in her private practice. Currently, Dr. Green is a chief executive officer of the Association of Professional Behavior. So she also did receive an honorary doctorate of science degree from the Queen's University of Belfast, Northern Ireland in 2005. Dr. Green has been very instrumental in this field. Thereby, you can see that she has a lot of publications. She's actively practicing currently because, as we can see from July 2020, she came out with a publications on some actions for behavior analysts licensing body to consider in response to COVID-19 pandemic. And as we can also see, she also co-authored a book on behavior intervention for young children with autism making a difference. She's also had a lot co-published and published a lot of articles and research in journals of applied behavior analysis and other areas with respect to developmental disability and autism. In all, she has come up with about 47 or more publications. So when it comes to the impact of Gina Green, she has impact on the professional practice in the field of behavior analysis, has been very instrumental as an advocate for clients and families as well as issues associated with their services, supporting the role of science integration of scientific treatment, and evaluation of clinical intervention. She has also been known for the promotion of science of human behavior and behavior analysis with countless presentation, publication, and testimonies worldwide. Gina Green also plays a major role of advancing behavior analysis through the establishment of certification, standards, and development of legislation, policy on state, national, and international levels. She's also known to be the president of Association of Behavior Analysts International. So when it comes to interview questions, if I were to be with Gina Green right now, these are the questions I will be asking her on what development, in pandemic COVID-19 do you see impacting the role of behavior analysts in the near future? And what method do you use to organize and manipulate large amounts of data and ensure that your work is error-free? Have you received negative feedback from a leadership team or fellow scholar in the field of ABA? How did you respond? What method would you use in to forecast the future of ABA? Can you describe an intervention that you think is not marketed well, and how well would you improve the marketing for that intervention? So these are the questions I would have been asking Gina Green if she were to be with me here. So finally, um, Green has, with the little research that I have done about her, I've really been inspired about her publications and how active she has been in the field. You could see that from the research and most of the works that she has done, she has not only supported only children, she has also supported parents. She has also her work also goes into support, institution, providers in the field, mostly behavior analysts, how to support them, how they can also make sure that, practices and evidence-based interventions are being used in this field. And this is very remarkable and very profound of her which really drives me so much about her research. And finally, as you can see, Gina Green has supported the field of behavior analysis with her publication and research work, whilst ensuring that there are standard practices that are evidence-based interventions and implemented by behavior analysts. She also lectures and consults widely on autism-related disorder, behavioral research, effective intervention for people with disability, and public policy affecting the practice of behavior analysis. And she is a very great woman, and I love most of her work that she has done. Thank you.